Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an RSS widget to your WordPress website. A simple yet powerful way to keep your site fresh with dynamic, continuously updated content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to integrate an RSS feed that can automatically display content from your favorite sources, keeping your visitors engaged and coming back for more. Let's dive in. Access your WordPress account. First, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. Click on the login button at the top right corner. You can use the easiest method available, like continue with Google. If you also to access your account quickly, make sure you select the account associated with your website so you can edit it directly. Enter the customization area. Once you are logged in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard. On the right-hand side, look for the panel that says Edit Site and click it. This takes you into the customization mode, where you can make changes to your website layout and add new features. Now, let's add the RSS widget. At the top left corner, click the Add button. It looks like a plus sign. A search bar will appear, and here's the important part. Type in RSS. This will show you all available RSS blocks ready to be added to your page. Select the RSS block from the suggestions. Instantly, it will appear on your page ready to pull content from any feed you specify. All you need to do is enter the RSS feed URL of the source you want to display, and WordPress will automatically show the latest updates directly on your site. And there you have it, a fully functional RSS widget on your WordPress website in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.